Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're doing copper hair and a traditional sew-in with a minimal leave out. I reached out to my vendor and customized some ombre kinky curly bundles. First things first is to tone my model's natural hair. We bleached and toned her hair about 7 months ago to a dirty blonde, and the color has faded and grown out since. I love using Redken Shades EQ for all my glosses because the consistency is like a shampoo. It suds up and allows me to saturate all her curls in one go. While her hair is processing, I went ahead and toned her extensions to a copper as well. This is her hair blown out with that copper color. We were really happy with how the color came out. Okay, so for her braid out, I went in with my Timelessly Curly Flex Paste, which is my go-to braiding paste. It's super lightweight and provides the perfect hold so I can neatly braid her hair. It's made with pumpkin seed protein and bentonite clay to keep her hair strong and nourished under her sew-in. Side note, I'm not a fan of the hairnet because I want my clients to have full access to their scalp when washing, so I like to reinforce my braid downs with some braiding hair to give them some strength while holding up the weight of the extensions. Alright, so here are the extensions washed and blown out, and I was so hyped about the color. It came out so shiny, beautiful, orange, copper color. I was like absolutely obsessed. For the sew-in, I'm also big on knotting each stitch by wrapping the thread around my needle twice. I just like to make sure that no matter how rough my clients are with their sew-ins, that it's just going to stay nice and tight in their hair. Look how full this install looks, guys, with only 2 bundles. Like, Kinky Curly is just so fluffy. I love it. My client wanted her hair straight, so I lightly coated her hair with my amethyst oil for heat protection and shine. Then I grabbed my Babyliss Pro flat iron and silk pressed these extensions. Look how nicely this hair straightens, y'all. And yes, as soon as she washes it, the curls will come right back. I tell my clients Kinky Curly extensions is the way to go because they are so versatile. You can wear them curly, blown out, pressed out, just like our natural hair, so you don't have to worry about blending every day. And here's the finished product. When I say we were obsessed, I mean, look at this color. Oh my goodness, it's so shiny. It's so vibrant. I love it. As always, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!